Miss Missy, can you hear me? I'll write down your product and anything you want. Just feel free to let me know. That's all, thank you. I'll write down your product and anything you want. Just feel free to let me know. That's all, thank you. Hello guys, this is our RT29. We are at a
买手机，手机维修，办宽带，开卡到硅谷广场。手机、电脑、平板国补开始了，华为、荣耀、vivo 手机均可参与，直降15%，最高省1500元，到店购机还送蓝牙耳机。
We are at a crowd and noise background. This is also our sound. So it's very, very noisy right now. But we can testing from the main road. There are lots of background noise. But all teams. This is team 1 coming over.
Team 1 coming out.
T.
Calling out team. This is team 2 coming over.
Team 2 coming out.
Miss Missy, can you hear me? I hope everything going well with you here today. Thank you so much. This is Friday speaking.
Hello, this is Retevis RT29.
Hello, this is Retevis RT29.